everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so excited for Smilegram number 2. So just to explain what a Smilegram is, it's a way that we can reach out to our loved ones, friends, and people within the community, and then I bless you for blessing others. In last month, in the month of April and May, I had our first Smilegram, and all you needed to do was go down into the comments below of the video and share, I sent out this many letters. What I'm asking you to do is to mail out with a stamp or a handwritten letter to a coworker or family member. Hand given works as well. It does have to be written, not email, not text. It can be, 4 or 5 sentences, just a hey, can't, thinking of you, something that makes someone else feel loved and appreciated and seen. And I then give you a number depending on how many you've done. So right now for the Smilegram video for last time, there were 23 Smilegrams put out. I'm so excited and proud of you and spreading the love to the community, family members, and loved ones and friends. And so this is the next one. This is for June, possibly into July. These are just pickups. When I feel like it, I'm going to stop the last one and give out the prize and start the new one. So this is your official video to start over. When you do send out, my goal is to send out 2 a week or to hand out 2 a week, but go ahead and send out a Smilegram. Stamps are 50-ish cents here in the United States. You can get from the Dollar Tree 6 or 8 note cards. It is not expensive. You can get a plain sheet of paper and write a note on it just to make somebody smile. Then come back to this video and put in the comments below something like, I sent out 3 notes today, and then you will get however many you've sent out, you will get that many entries. So I'll give you that many numbers. You can come back as many times. I know a couple people sent them out a couple weeks in a row and came back and left comments each time, and they got more and more numbers. So the more you send out, the more you have available to win. Our beloved Jennifer Rushton up in Canada, she just started a hand-turned pen Etsy shop, and she heard about our Smilegram, and she said, hey, I want to donate that prize to the winner who shared the love. So thank you so much, Jennifer. So today I'm going to be pulling that prize. The person who wins, please email me at dpaddiction@gmail.com. Let me know your address, and Jennifer and I will work on getting that to you. It may take a little bit of time because she is in Canada with the mailing system, but we hope to get that to you quickly. It's a hand-turn acrylic pen. How special is that? Just for sharing the love. So, number 1, this is a new video. Start putting comments down below on how many you've sent out or handed out. I will start giving numbers. Number 2, we're going to select the winner for last Smilegram. We had 23 entries. So what I did on my phone is, let me see here, I did a wheel picker and did numbers 1 through 23, and then we're going to hop over to YouTube and see in the comments who won. So here we go, we're spinning, who's going to win? So exciting. Oh my gosh, number 1. How often does that happen? Okay, so we are going to go over to YouTube. And let me see what we got today. All right, I got to kind of sort through this. Give me just a minute. They're all mixed up. I'm so sorry. Let me see here. I have it on my screen real quick. Let me see. Ooh, shake, rattle, and roll. Shake, rattle, and roll. We're going to sort by newest. We're going to scroll down. Sorry if I'm Okay, so the winner is, are you guys ready? I'll put it up on my phone too, just so you know I'm being honest. The winner is Tina. Tina Slauson. She sent out, she says, hashtag DPSmilegram. Awesome idea. Thank you. Sent 2 cards. Because she sent 2 cards, she got 1 and 2. So, yes, definitely Tina Swanson. Please, please, please email me at dpaddiction@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you in the next 7 days, I will pick another winner and we'll go from there. So I hope you guys share the love, Smilegram, hashtag DP Smilegram, get the love out. So until next time, be blessed, take care, and I can't wait to bless you with another prize down the road. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.